Hi, this is Justin Marriott, the Product Manager of Key Filters here at ParkTechTalk. In previous blog articles that we have written and a video that we had done consisted of talking about Industry 4.0. We called it IoT for Internet of Things, and we talked a lot about how remote connections and data logging from RKCH can give insights into your extrusion process. Since then, we have been continuing to beta test a platform on our end at a customer plant to get an idea of how this would much better benefit our larger customer base. And so I wanted to talk a little bit about all the information you can grab from your screen changer and how that can benefit your extrusion line. So as we know, the screen changer is oftentimes the overlooked item on your extrusion system. It's the one that you just want it to work, and it's there, and as long as it's filtering, you're happy. But we don't really think about too often is the fact that our screen changer is bolted directly to an extruder, or generally just downstream that, maybe just after a melt pump. All the information it's grabbing from there is vital information on your extrusion system. And if you don't have any kind of a SCADA system or a kind of logging ability at this point, a lot of this can be pulled from the screen changer. So since the screen changer is grabbing, say, upstream pressure, this can quickly correlate to uptime. If you have multiple lines running, and it doesn't matter where you are or what city they may be in, you could grab exactly the efficiency of that line, running how long it's been running for and its general pressure that's been running at. Another example of how this could be helpful would be, say, the screen advancement rates. So since our continuous belt screen changer advances automatically based on pulling out contamination out of your extrusion system, you can quickly correlate how dirty or contaminated your material is. And if you're running, say, PCR, post-consumer recycled, or post-consumer industrial material, you can quickly look from batch to batch, or say vendor to vendor, to find out which material you're getting in-house that is the best quality. Other aspects that you don't think about is, if you're curious into the performance of the screen changer itself and keeping it running, but keeping its uptime and reducing downtime. So one often aspect with the continuous belt screen changers, since you're running cooling water through jackets to keep the material sealed off, is that you could have mineral buildup over time. That mineral buildup would slowly reduce your cooling efficiency and ultimately result in some downtime. By having a remote monitoring ability, you'll be able to track any changes or fluctuations in that cooling capacity. So by looking at the temperatures over time, you could see if there's a rise starting, which is probably telling you there's either something wrong with your cooling system, or you have some buildup of hard minerals such as calcium. And that would tell you need to clean the system. And ultimately you could plan that during a planned shutdown instead of waiting and doing it on the fly. These are just a few items of what you could do with all the information you get from your screen changer, but logging it and be able to view it and going back in time to see exactly how your extrusion system is running could be very beneficial. If you'd like to know any more information about this, please contact me, Justin Marriott at ParkTechTalk, and I'll be glad to talk about more with you. Thank you.